Bonjour, fellow travelers and sports enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. With the 2024 Summer Olympics right around the corner, there's no better time to explore the City of Light. Paris is not only hosting one of the world's biggest sporting events, but also offering a plethora of breathtaking sights, delicious food, and unforgettable experiences. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on our latest travel adventures. So, let's dive into the top places to visit in Paris during the 2024 Summer Olympics. First on our list is the iconic Eiffel Tower. Standing tall at 324 meters, this architectural marvel is a must-visit. During the Olympics, the area around the Eiffel Tower will be buzzing with excitement. Enjoy Olympic-themed food stalls offering international cuisines, watch live broadcasts of events on giant screens, and join in the festive atmosphere. Whether you're taking a selfie from the Trocadero Gardens, enjoying a picnic at Champs de Mars, or dining at one of its exquisite restaurants, the Eiffel Tower offers stunning views and unforgettable memories. Next, we head to the world's largest art museum, the Louvre, home to over 35,000 artworks, including the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. This historic palace is a treasure trove of human creativity. During the Olympics, the Louvre will host special exhibitions celebrating sports and art. Wander through its vast halls, marvel at masterpieces spanning from ancient civilizations to the 19th century, and immerse yourself in the unique Olympic spirit with art and sports combined. No trip to Paris is complete without a stroll down the Champs-Élysées. This famed avenue is lined with shops, cafes, and theaters, leading up to the majestic Arc de Triomphe. During the Olympics, the Champs-Élysées will be adorned with Olympic-themed decorations and host various events and fan zones. Climb to the top of the Arc de Triomphe for a panoramic view of Paris, and don't miss the eternal flame at the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier, a poignant tribute to those who fought for France. Despite the recent fire, the Notre-Dame Cathedral remains a symbol of Parisian resilience and Gothic beauty. While restoration efforts are ongoing, you can still admire its stunning facade and learn about its rich history. During the Olympics, the Ile de la Cité, where Notre-Dame is located, will host cultural events and concerts. Experience the vibrant energy of the area, enjoy live performances, and indulge in local delicacies from food stalls. Head to the Bohemian district of Montmartre, where artists like Picasso and Van Gogh once roamed. Wander through its cobbled streets, visit local art studios, and enjoy street performances. The crown jewel here is the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, offering a breathtaking view of the city from its dome. During the Olympics, Montmartre will come alive with art events and exhibitions celebrating the spirit of the Games. Join the festivities and experience the unique charm of this artistic hub. Just a short trip from Paris, the Palace of Versailles is a symbol of opulence and grandeur. Explore the lavish hall of mirrors, the royal apartments, and the expansive gardens. During the Olympics, Versailles will host special events and performances, offering visitors a chance to experience the splendor of French royalty, along with the excitement of the Games. It's a perfect day trip from the Olympic hustle and bustle. Experience Paris from a different perspective with a Seine river cruise. Glide past landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, Notre-Dame, and the Louvre, all while enjoying the gentle sway of the water. During the Olympics, special boat tours will offer themed experiences, including live commentary on the games and gourmet meals inspired by the participating countries. Evening cruises offer a particularly magical view of Paris illuminated. Immerse yourself in the intellectual and cultural heart of Paris, the Latin Quarter. Home to the Sorbonne University and vibrant cafes, this area is perfect for book lovers and history buffs. During the Olympics, the Latin Quarter will host literary events and discussions celebrating sports literature. Nearby, the Luxembourg Gardens provide a tranquil escape with beautiful lawns, fountains, and even a palace. Enjoy outdoor screenings of Olympic events and relax in this picturesque setting. For a dose of magic, head to Disneyland Paris. Just outside the city, this enchanting park is perfect for families and fans of all ages. From thrilling rides to meet and greets with your favorite characters, Disneyland offers a delightful break from the Olympic excitement. During the Games, Disneyland will host special events and parades celebrating the Olympics, making it a must-visit for those looking to combine magic with sport. Last but certainly not least, explore the historic Le Marais district. Known for its medieval streets, trendy boutiques, and vibrant nightlife, Le Marais is a cultural melting pot. During the Olympics, the area will host various celebrations, including street performances, food festivals, and pop-up markets. Don't miss the Picasso Museum and the beautiful Place des Vosges, one of Paris's oldest squares. Le Marais offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and Olympic festivities. And there you have it, folks. These are the top places to visit in Paris during the 2024 Summer Olympics. From the timeless elegance of the Eiffel Tower to the historic charm of Montmartre, and from the culinary delights at local cafes to the vibrant Olympic events and activities scattered throughout the city, Paris promises an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to catch some Olympic action at venues like the Stade de France and enjoy the festive atmosphere across the city. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides. Happy travels and enjoy the Games!